Alright folks, so we're out here early this morning so we can install some hinges on our gate. So I got 4 of these hinges. I'm going to put them on the outside of this gate so it can swing out. Now the biggest thing I have to decide is which way do I want it to swing. Do I want it to swing like this, or do I want it to swing like this? And I think I might actually have it swing like this, just because that's the flow of traffic. Okay, so I'm going to install these hinges with these screws. And these are called RSSs, rugged structural screws. And these are a 1/4 inch, which means a 1/4 inch shank, by 2 inches. They're 2 inches long, and they have this big head on them that keeps things nice and tight. Remember, that's the purpose of screws. Screws keep things tight. Nails fight against shear force. So screws keep things tight, nails fight against shear force. So we're gonna screw these hinges on here. Alright folks, so it's going to be a little difficult to lift this gate up into place and then screw it at the same time. So I'm going to use a really complicated mechanism. Not really complicated at all. I'm going to use a lever to help get this done. But you gotta put the lever in the right spot. All right, so there we go, folks. The gate works, swings open, what we like. So I would not have been able to do that very easily without the use of that lever. So here's a question for you, folks. The way I had this set up, what type of lever is that? We have the fulcrum in the middle. Leave it in the comments what type of lever that is. Either the first class, second class, or the third class. And then go ahead and leave an example of other types of levers of that type. So what type of lever is this, and what are examples of other types of that type? Alright, so thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks for the view. Remember to work hard early in the day, because hard work is its own reward, and do something today that makes you better. Thanks for watching.